As a water treatment specialist, you must be able to change the AF-2 purifier filter cartridge after every 300 hours of tactical water purification system or TWPS operation. The purpose of the AF-2 purification filter is to remove water and any oil remaining in the air compressor. This video is designed to demonstrate the proper procedures for replacing the AF-2 air purification filter. First, you will need to make sure the TWPS is in standby shutdown without draining down as per Work Package 15. Now that the TWPS is in shutdown, it is time to bleed the entire air system to make sure there is no air pressure in the lines while you change the AF-2 purifier filter cartridge. Then slowly open the high pressure air vent valve V904. With the TWPS now in standby shutdown without draining down mode, we can begin the procedures to replace the AF-2 purifier filter cartridge. The first thing you do is to unscrew the filter head using the purifier chamber wrench. And then remove the two bolts on the bottom of the filter base. Now, unbolt and remove the retaining strap and tilt the filter assembly outward so you can pull out the cartridge using the lifting ring on top of the cartridge. Pull out the cartridge and discard according to your SOP. Before you install the new cartridge, you need to take a clean, lint-free cloth and dry the inside of the filter housing. When the inside of the housing is dry, look inside and check for any corrosion. Now it is time to install the new cartridge. Take the new cartridge and remove it from the protective sleeve. Then remove the two protective caps from both ends. With the protective caps removed, apply a small amount of valve-sealed lubricant to the O-rings on the nipple end only of the cartridge. Now, install the new cartridge with the lifting ring on top end and the nipple end facing down, making sure the O-rings and backup rings are in place. Once in place, reinstall the two bolts into the bottom of the filter base and then apply a small amount of valve seal lubricant to filter head O-ring and reinstall the filter head. Reinstall the retaining strap and then close the high pressure vent valve V904. It's time to start up the air compressor and check the filter assembly for any leaks. If you don't notice any air leaks coming from the filter assembly, you did a great job, Water Dog. However, if you did notice an air leak coming from the filter assembly, you need to get it fixed. After you start up the air compressor, back up, and you notice an air leak coming from the filter assembly, either the cartridge was installed incorrectly or something is missing. You will need to determine which one it is. You start by removing the purifier cartridge just as you did before and pull the cartridge out by lifting ring. Inspect the O-rings to see if they are damaged, and if they are, you need to replace them. Double check to make sure the protective end caps have been removed from the nipple end of the cartridge. If the O-rings are good and the protective caps are removed, check the inside of the filter assembly housing to see if there are no foreign objects inside, and pay particular attention to the nipple base where the nipple fits. If there is, remove them. When you have completed these steps, replace the cartridge following the steps you previously did and restart the air compressor again to check for any leaks. Congratulations, Water Dog. You have completed the replacement of the AF-2 purifier filter cartridge. Throughout this video, you have seen the steps for replacing the AF-2 purifier filter cartridge filters. Remember, it is essential to properly maintain and clean your equipment. In doing so, you will always be able to provide quality drinking water when needed. Congratulations, Water Dog. Soon you'll be out in the field working with the TWPS system. Good luck.